Hello everyone, welcome to your classes. So we are doing the chapter Simple Machine. In this chapter today we will know about a pulley. Today you will learn about this pulley, okay? What you will learn about a pulley. Now you see that you have seen pulley. It is made up of what? It is like this one round, and in that round you can see that one deep grave is there. Okay, so this is a one type of a simple machine. Pulley is what? It is a type of a simple machine. Pulley is a simple machine and that consists of what? Wheel with the grooved rim and a rope. This is, you are seeing, what is this? This is a wheel, okay, and this is the wheel, and on that wheel you have seen that one grooved is there, grooved deep. One place is deeply, it is made grooved, so this is known as a groove. And this is the axle. It is like this axle. This is the axle. Okay, this is the axle. This is the wheel. This is the wheel. Separately I have shown you. And in this groove is made there. So it is said that pulley is a simple machine. It is made up of wheel with a grooved rim. With a grooved rim and a rope. And a rope is there. And a rope running around it. Rope is running around it. Understood? The wheel rotates. What does the wheel do? This wheel, it is a wheel. The wheel rotates around a stationary rod. This is the stationary rod, yes. And this wheel rotates around the stationary rod. The wheel rotates around the stationary rod or axle. Stationary rod or axle. This is the axle, it is fixed there. Rotate stationary rod or axle. Understood? Pulley makes our, what does pulley do? It pulls the thing. Then what does pulley do? Pulley makes our work easier. This pulley, yes, heavy load, it is make our work easier. What does pulley do? Pulley makes our work easier by changing the direction. It is, if you will see, it is fixed like by changing the direction. Yes, pulley make our work easier by changing the direction. By changing the direction in which the force has to be applied. In which force has to be applied. Effort is applied in one. Effort, you are doing work there, putting your effort. Effort is applied in one direction. One direction, what we are applying? Our effort. So it is said that effort is applied to the one direction and load move in the other direction. In this direction, effort is applying and load is moving to other direction. Understood? You have seen that, suppose you think it is a one rope, okay, and here load is given here, this one, suppose you think this is the load, yes, this load is given here, and what you will do, you will put your effort here. Now this load, you have to take it up, it is here, so you have to bring this load here, you will put your effort here, then this load will come like this way. Understood? So it is said that what? A pulley, what is about that pulley said? It is said that what? That the wheel is a grooved rim. Here it is given that this is the wheel. It is with the, what is it? Is a simple machine. Pulley is a simple machine. It is a simple machine with wheel Wheel with a grooved rim. Wheel with a grooved rim. Understood? It is clear to you all what is that groove? With a grooved rim and a rope running. Here you are seeing rope. Yes, rope running around it. Rope is running around it. Clear it is to you all? Rope is running around it. Okay? Running around it. The wheel rotates around a stationary rod. This wheel rotate around the stationary rod or axle. This is the stationary rod or axle. Clear it is? It rotates around the where? Stationary rod or axle. Pulley makes our work easier. What does pulley do? Pulley makes your work easier. Yes, when you pull the heavy load, it makes your work easier. So what does pulley do? Pulley makes our work easier. Yes, pulley makes your work very easier. So you can pull the heavy load by applying effort to one side and load can be lifted from other side. Yes, so it makes to lift a heavy load, no? So changing pulley makes our work easier by changing. How it makes your work easier? By changing the direction. By changing the direction. Example, if you have well in your house, you can see if pulley is fit there. So what you are seeing, that one rod is there, in that one wheel is fixed here, okay, and in that wheel grooved is there. Yes, and one rod that is known as axle and pulley move on that, okay, and in that groove what you have seen, that one rope is there, no, rope is fixed there. If you used to take out water from well, what you do, you fixed one side, bucket was fixed, bucket you can fix, and when you pull it in other side, you will give effort, then water will come out from the well. So this is the action of the wheel, no, pulley, and it makes our work very easier. And what is it? It is a simple machine. Which type of machine it is? A simple machine. Understood? It is clear to you all? Now pulley is having two types of pulley. One is fixed pulley and another one is movable pulley. There is two type of pulley, fixed pulley and movable pulley. So what you have learned today? Today you have learned about your pulley. Then what is a pulley? Pulley is a simple machine. It makes our work easier. No, it makes our work easier. It is a simple machine. It makes to take out the heavy load. It is used for take out the heavy loads. Pulley. So you are seeing here one. Here drawing is given there. Pulley. This is the wheel. In this groove is there and axle is there. In that axle wheel is fixed there, and in this groove what? Rope is there, and we are putting our effort here and lifting this load. Putting effort here and lifting this load. And this one is only said here that it is a simple machine with wheel and grooved rim. Simple machine with pulley is a with wheel and grooved rim. This is the grooved rim. Here wheel and grooved rim. Okay. Rope running around this. In this what one? Rope running around it. Clear it is? The wheel rotates around the stationary rod. Where it rotates? Around the stationary rod. It is clear? The wheel rotates around the stationary rod or axle. This is the axle or stationary rod. It rotates around it. This pulley makes our work what? Easier. It makes our work very easier. We can pull the heavy load. It makes our work easier by changing the direction. How it makes our work easier? By changing the direction, okay, in which the force has to be applied. We are applying the force in which force to be applied. Effort is applied. We are applying our effort there in one direction. One direction what we are pulling that bucket from there. Yes, so effort in one direction we are doing, applying one direction, and load move to the other direction. Effort this direction and load move to the other direction. Okay, so it is clear to you all. Today you have learned about the pulley. Now next class I will explain you about fixed pulley and movable pulley. Okay, this much only. Thank you to everyone.